Hello, my name's Gilbert Brandt, and currently we're at my YouTube channel. If you go on my YouTube channel here, we'll go back up to the top. Every one of these videos on this page is on the front page of YouTube, and a lot of them are on the front page of Google. Now, I've made animated videos. You see, I've ranked them for all kinds of different things. Now I'm going to show you one of my prouder moments. We go to this site, Wine Video Business Marketing Expert, Google. This number up here, 2,333,000. That's how many people come to view this. The higher that number is, the harder it is to rank there. If you scroll down, you'll see I'm on the front page for Video Business Marketing Expert. You go back up here, you click the images. My video is number one there. You go to videos. Video Business Marketing Expert. 1, 2, 3. Scroll down a little farther. 4. 4 videos on the front page. I outrank Gary Vaynerchuk. He's the most popular guy for video for marketing for wine. Now we're going to go over to Video Business Marketing Expert. Scroll down the page here on Google. You notice this search is 117 million. There are very, very few people that could rank for that. Scroll down here, you see I'm number one and I'm number two on YouTube. Now we'll go to images, and I'm also number one there. There's my video, number one in images. Go to videos. I'm number one and number two. If you need a little more information about some of the work I've done, you can click on this video right here, and it'll tell you more about me. Thank you.